In today's fast-paced digital world, technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate. One of the latest trends that is revolutionizing the way we search for information online is voice search. With the rise of voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, more and more people are using their voices to find answers to their queries instead of typing them into a search engine. As a business owner or marketer, it's crucial to adapt and optimize your online presence for voice search in order to stay ahead of the competition and reach a wider audience. So why should you care about optimizing your business for voice assistant searches? Well, let's explore some emotional objectives that may resonate with you as a reader. Frustration. Have you ever found yourself frustrated while trying to type out a long query on your mobile device? Voice search eliminates this frustration by allowing users to simply speak their questions or commands. Convenience. Imagine being able to get instant answers without having to lift a finger or even look at your screen. Voice assistants provide unparalleled convenience by delivering quick responses through spoken words. Efficiency. Time is precious in today's busy world. By harnessing the power of voice assistant optimization, you can save time by getting immediate results instead of scrolling through pages of search engine results. Now that we've established why optimizing for voice assistants matters, let's delve into unique rationales demonstrating what you will gain from this article. Increased visibility. By optimizing your website for voice searches, you can improve its chances of appearing in featured snippets, those concise summaries that appear at the top of search engine result pages, SERPs. This enhanced visibility will drive more organic traffic towards your site. Enhanced user experience. Voice searches allow users to interact with technology in a more natural way than traditional text-based searches do. When you optimize your website for voice assistants, you provide a seamless experience that caters to the preferences of modern users. Competitive advantage. While voice search is still relatively new, it's growing rapidly. By embracing this trend early on and optimizing your business for voice assistant searches, you can gain a competitive edge over those who are slow to adapt. Now that we understand why optimizing for voice assistants is essential, let's explore how you can actually go about doing it. Focus on conversational keywords. When people use voice search, they tend to phrase their queries more conversationally compared to text-based searches. Incorporate long-tail keywords and natural language into your content to align with these conversational queries. Optimize for local search. Voice searches often have a local intent. Users are looking for nearby businesses or services. Make sure your website includes location-specific information such as address, contact details, and opening hours so that search engines can easily identify and display this information in response to relevant queries. Improve page load speed. Mobile optimization has become crucial in recent years due to the increasing number of users accessing the internet through their smartphones or tablets. Ensure that your website loads quickly on mobile devices, as slow loading pages can negatively impact user experience and SEO rankings. Utilize structured data markup. Implementing structured data markup helps search engines understand the context of your content better. This enables them to provide more accurate answers when responding to voice queries by extracting relevant information from structured data markup on your site. Create FAQ pages. Frequently asked questions, FAQ, pages are an excellent way to target common questions asked via voice search while providing valuable information at the same time. Anticipate what questions consumers may ask about your products or services and create informative FAQ pages around those topics. In addition to these strategies, here are some concrete takeaways in numbers. 80% of consumers have used voice search to find local information in the last year. 50% of all searches will be voice-based by 2022. Voice commerce sales are projected to reach $40 billion by 2022. In conclusion, optimizing your business for voice assistant searches is no longer an option but a necessity. By embracing this booming trend, you can increase visibility, enhance user experience, and gain a competitive advantage. Implement the strategies mentioned above and stay ahead of the curve in this ever-evolving digital landscape. So why wait? Start optimizing your online presence for voice search today and reap the benefits tomorrow.